Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that looks nothing like how it sounds. Rendezvous. It's a fancy French word, but don't worry, I'll help you master it in no time. So, how do you say it? The correct pronunciation is rendezvous. Yep, that silent Z might surprise you. Let's break it down step by step. Ran, like the first part of wrong, but with a softer N sound. Day, just like the word day. Vu rhymes with zoo. Now say it with me. Rendezvous. One more time. Rendezvous. Great job. What does rendezvous mean? A rendezvous is a meeting or gathering, often at a planned time and place. For example, let's have a rendezvous at the cafe at 3 p.m. The spies had a secret rendezvous at midnight. Fun fact. Did you know? Rendezvous comes from the French phrase rendezvous, which means present yourself or meet up. That explains why it's often used for planned meetings. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled Rendezvous. But the Z is completely silent, so don't be fooled. Now that you've got it, let's say it one last time together. Rendezvous. Awesome! Thanks for watching Say It Right. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who might need it. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.